it's amazing that there's a type of music that really captures an emotion so clearly. And I've never felt that before with any other music styles. Never, ever. And that just freaking blows my mind.
So the Welsh word Hiraeth, the definition is a homesickness for a home to which you cannot return, a home which maybe never was, the nostalgia, the yearning, the grief for the lost places of your past. And in a way, I think that is the perfect definition of Vaporwave, and even of sometimes how I feel or how I think or how I dream.
We look back because we somehow think that the past was better somehow, and we have all these memories that it was better, and we try to like.
But I don't think the world was better. I think just our lives was better because we were kids and didn't have any responsibilities and everything was fun. And that's a period in life you will always long back to.
Yeah.